friends and fellow vintage lovers. I was not expecting to post a haul video today, but here we are. I just couldn't stop myself. I actually went thrifting for one purpose. It was to try to find items for our sale tonight. At our last live sale, we asked people in chat to challenge us with certain items to find. And one of those items was a wooden recipe box, which you think would be in every thrift store. I have not found one and it's been a week. So I did pick up this one today. It's not actually wood, it's cardboard. Hey, paper comes from wood, right? So it is wood. I don't know if that's cheating or not, but I'm going to say that I completed the decorated recipe box challenge. While I was out, I did so well at Goodwill. I couldn't believe it. That's where I got most of these items. A local thrift store that's very close to my house also had these beautiful Indiana glass tiara diamond point cobalt, or I think they're actually black mugs. And they are so pretty. It's the first time I've seen these in person. It's not really going to pick up. Oh, I think I see some of the sparkle. These mugs are beautiful. They're heavy and I absolutely love them. I was very surprised to find them today. I also picked up a few items that reflect the boho 1970s side of me. At Goodwill, there was a bin that had not been put out on the shelves. So like any good thrifter would do, I went through that bin, and that is where I found this wooden piece. This is obviously a wall sconce, and it's very pretty. It has daisies on it. I also picked up another one. This is another single candle wall sconce. This one has rattan, as you can see. I love both of these pieces. And if you are a boho lover like me, I'm sure you'll love them as well. I also went ahead and picked up this, I'm assuming, 1970s plant holder. It's in great shape. Like, bang it on the table. But I had to get that too. Love, love, love it. I also picked up these Indiana glass pieces. As you can see, they're amber, and these are card suits. I was able to, of course, get the heart and the diamond, as well as the spade, but I need a club. So I might have to go back there tomorrow and scan the shelves again. I looked for quite a while. I was gone for a long time, and I was not anticipating that today. I also picked up this cute pig. I've never seen a polka dotted pig before. He does have some flower decoration, and I believe they're all still intact. There is no information on this pig on the bottom, but he was just absolutely too cute not to get. He had to come home with me. Then the most favorite item I picked up today was this piece of wall art. This is brass and copper, and I believe these are seagulls. I love the design, the starburst with the birds. I think it's stunning. This was also in one of the bins at Goodwill that had not been put on the shelves yet. I was shocked. The other two items I just want to talk to you about. They're basic items, but I had been looking for them, and the first was this bowl. This is just a normal clear fish bowl. I picked up this Hager cat without a fish bowl. And I have been searching for the past few weeks for a fishbowl that will fit. So here he is. He will probably be in a live sale in the future. But if you're interested in him, definitely let me know. He's in good shape. He does have a little bit of wear. But I just love Hager, and I love this kitty. So pretty. I do have one of these in my personal collection as well. But I was so glad to find a fishbowl that would fit. I think it's just precious. The other thing I got, I mentioned this before, so if you've watched my prior videos, I mentioned that at Goodwill I picked up this 1970s pagoda fairy lamp top. I could not find the bottom. I spent, I don't know how long, going up and down the aisles trying to find it, and I guess it was donated without its base, or somehow it got separated from its base. But that day, they also had this frosted glass candle stand. So I thought I would pick that up, and that could be used as a bottom for the fairy lamp. I had not found anything else that I thought would work. So today I found these two frosted glass single candle holders, and I thought they were really pretty. I'm actually proud of myself. I think I may have had a good idea here. Let me know if you think so as well, but I was just really excited to find them and to hopefully be able to offer this in a live sale soon too. I just thought it was fun. Of course, I still wish I had found the bottom, but I don't know, this may be even more cool. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you can, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment. It does really help. And definitely join us tonight. My sale will be with Gina at Vintage Digs, and it will be on her channel. And Jen K, Generation Junkie, will be joining us. We are doing live sales every Tuesday at 7 Eastern and every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern. Just so you know, it's always going to be the three of us. And let me know if there's something that you're interested in. I will be happy to work with you on that. Thanks for watching my unexpected haul video, everyone, and I hope to see you at our sale. And if not, I hope you have a great day. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.